Access to the internet is essential for education, healthcare, economic growth, and global communication, yet many underserved regions lack this vital resource. Underserved regions face barriers to reliable internet access due to geographic, economic, and infrastructural challenges. Remote areas lack necessary infrastructure, such as fiber optic cables and cell towers, limiting connectivity. High costs of deploying internet services in low-income areas leave many disconnected, increasing inequalities. A lack of digital literacy in underserved areas can reduce the effectiveness of internet usage and services. Regulatory challenges and monopolistic practices slow down the deployment of affordable internet services. Innovative technologies like satellite internet and mesh networks present alternative solutions for remote areas. Public-private partnerships can subsidize costs and expedite the expansion of internet infrastructure.